Sir, HCF of two positive numbers is 12.
HCF of two positive numbers is 12.
The product of the two numbers is 636.
Mm-hmm.
Find the two numbers.
Find the two numbers, good man. Okay, now find the two numbers. Okay. So children, HCF into LCM is equal to X into Y. HCM is 12 and LCM we should find out 6336. Bring this here. LCM is equal to 6336 by 12. LCM is equal to 12 5s are 60. 33, 12 2s are 24. 12 8s are 96. So HCF is equal to 12 we got. LCM is equal to 528 we got. So individually you should find out numbers also.
Yes, sir.
Individually numbers if you want 6336 means. So normally HCF will be factors. So prime factors. So 12 divided by 6, 25, 28. X into y is 6336. HCF into LCM is equal to X into y. We got this. Okay. But that is going to be 6336. No? How do you find individual numbers? Individual numbers, how will find? At least one number should be there.
Sir.
12 means 2 into 2 into 3. HCF is 2 into 2 into 3. So prime factorization of 2. And LCM is 528. 528 means 2 into 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 3s are 2s are 2 6s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 11s are. So LCM we got
311, sir.
2
311.
311.
2 into 3 into 11 we got LCM. So LCM we got with this numbers. Product of this all numbers was LCM. These were the only common factors. These were the only common factors. So in both the numbers, 2's were there, 3's were there in both the numbers. The product of prime factors of x and product of prime factors of y, both of them had 2, 2, 2, 3 compulsory you had. But in y, apart from 3, 1 11 was also there in one of them. And 4 2's were common. 4 2's were common. When we are taking HCF, among 4 2's, only 2 2's we have taken. And 1 3 is only there. So x is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12 is one number. Y is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 is a 48, 48 into 11. The 4s are 44, 52. 528 is another number we are getting. Is it correct, children? No. To the 4th of the 12th to this 24th.
Sir, correctly we got my sir now.
Huh?
Those both if we are multiplying, we are getting of 6336. No, sir.
Getting 6336 is not enough. 12 into 528, are you getting 6336?
Yes, sir, we are getting.
6336 is equal to 12
LCM into for the
12 is
63.
24, 32, 12 is 60, 63. But okay, I did by trial and error method. No, there should be some standard method. I'm thinking there should be some standard method. What is the standard method we have? See, this I did there by trial and error method. I got HCF as 223, in both of them 223 I wrote. Apart from in LCM, highest number were 4, so I kept here 4, and 111 also I kept. I got 12 and 528. Are they accepting all the conditions? 12 and 528, HCF should be 12. 12 and by HCF, this and this should be 12. If it is coming, then it is correct. Let's check. 12 4s are 48. Okay. 12 528. 12 into what gives you 528 children?
44.
12 44 is how much? 12 44 is 528.
Yes, sir.
12 4 is 48. Yeah, 48. 0. Yeah, 12 is HCF. Yes. So 12 is HCF we are getting, so it is correct. What we did is correct only. But everything here, it's trial and error method basis I did children, because I got HCF 2 to 3, I wrote 2 to 3 in both of them. Apart from that, some extra numbers are there like 11, which I added 11. And LCM normally, whichever is having more number of 2's that we will take. So I have kept here 2, 4. Then I got 12 and 528. This is by trial and error method only I got. There is no standard procedure, because first time I am getting exposed to like this. Reddy, is it okay now? Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is no standard method children for this, because at least they should give one number or some of the two numbers is something means we can do. But since there is no standard procedure, I have gone with trial and error method. Okay. So, but because of all the things we are getting, this is 636, and the HCF of this both are getting 12. So I feel that this answer is correct only. Yeah. Anyone have any other doubt? Next one. Children, next doubt. Screen is blur, children. Children, is screen all right or blur?
It only happens sometimes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm working on mobile data, so it will be blurred sometimes. Kindly cooperate, children. Next question. So, children, next question. 8 men and 12 boys can finish a piece of work in 10 days. 8 men and 12 boys can finish a work in 10 days. In the same way, 6 men and 8 boys can finish work in 40 days. Okay, children, find the individual capacity of doing the work, children. This is the question. Find the individual capacity of doing the work. Okay? So, children, one man can finish the work in 1 day, 1 by x of the work. One man can finish 1 by x of work in 1 day. 8 men will do 8 by x, like that, children. So, children, normally 1 by x, what we will take, children? A.
A.
1 by y, what will take, children? B.
B.
So, is equal to 1 by 10. Like that only, what you will take, children, here? 6a.
6A plus 8Y is equal to 1 by 14.
1 by 14. So, children, what we will do, we will multiply this with 3, this with 4, children. Then what you will get? 24a plus 36b is equal to 3 by 10. Okay, children? In the same way, this one you tell, children, 24a plus 32b is equal to 4 by 14 means 2 by 7, children. So minus minus minus, children, this is gone. 36 minus 32 is 4b is equal to 3 by 10 minus 2 by 7. Okay, 4b is equal to 10 and 7 LCM is 70. 10 7 are 7 3s are 21. 7 10s are 10 2s are 20. So children, 4b is equal to 1 by 70. B coming here, b is equal to 1 by 280. But b, what is b, children? 1 by 5. So one boy will take 280 days to complete the work. One boy will take 280 days to complete the work. One boy and one boy. One boy will take 280 days, children. Okay. Now let's find out x also, children. Sure. 8 by x plus 12 by 280 is equal to 1 by 10. Here I substituted. You can substitute here, anyway, your wish. So children, 8 by x plus 2 6 2 140 2 3 2 70. So 3 by 70 is equal to 1 by 10. Please check children, this comes here. So 8 by x is equal to 1 by 10 minus 3 by 70. Okay children, so 8 by x is equal to 10 and 70 LCM 70. 10 sevens are, these are children. So what do you get children? 8 by x is equal to 4 by 70. 4 twos are, and this comes 140 days. One man can complete work. One man can complete work in 140 days. Like this question, you should be very, very careful, children. Be careful with like this questions, okay? Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Keep copying. Don't waste time. Next question. Next question, children. Keep copying, children. No one should sit. No one should sit without doing anything. Please keep copying, children. Next question. See, children, what is the question? Means on selling a tea set at 5% loss. On selling a tea set at 5% loss and a lemon set at 15% gain. This is T. This is a lemon set at 15% gain. Okay, gain, a crockery seller gains 7 rupees. 7 rupees is gain. Okay, this is loss. In the same way, if he sells tea set at 5% gain, suppose if he said this at 5% gain, okay, and lemon set at 10% gain, lemon set at 10% gain, then he will get 13 rupees gain, children. 13 rupees gain. So find the actual price of the tea set and lemon set, children. This is the question. So children, see here carefully. So children, which is gain, which is loss, you have to see. 1 second, see here, children, all of you. Gain on tea set is first case. First case, lemon set was sold at 5% loss. Lemon set was sold at 5% loss, children. This is loss is 5x by 100. We will take this as x. We will take this as y, children. Okay, 5x by 100. And 11 set what, children? 15% gain. 15y by 100 is equal to 7. This is 7. But children, since this is loss and this is gain, children, this is loss and this is gain. Loss means compulsory we should put minus. That should be careful, children. And second case, 5% gain. Both the cases gain only, children. 5% gain and 10% gain. 10% gain is 10y by 100. So is equal to 30 rupees. That's it, children. Only what you people will get confusion means here y minus y we should keep means because this is a loss. Only this was a loss. Children, this was a loss. See, only this was loss. Remaining all are gains only. Gain means plus, loss means minus. That's it. If you can remember that, remaining all things are over, children, because percent means yesterday also I was telling you have to take by 100. Percent means by 100. So children, what we will write this equation as 5x plus 15y is equal to this 100, this 100. Both of them have, that's why you can do it here. So, and this is minus, don't forget. And this is 5x plus 10y. And this also have 100, this also 100. How much it will come? 1300. So directly you can cancel because plus x 5x. So how much? 25y is equal to 2000. So y is equal to 25 8 80 rupees is selling price of lemon set. 80 rupees is the selling price of lemon set. Okay, children, let's check this or this. We will put 5x plus 10 into 80, how much, children? 800 is equal to 1300. This comes here. 5x is equal to how much, children? 500. X is equal to 100 rupees is selling price of tea set. Selling price of tea set. And this is the selling price of lemon set. We should be careful, children. Only one thing you remember, because why I kept minus here, because that is a loss, children. If you can remember that, everything is okay. Okay, children, next question. Children, yeah, see here. It takes 12 hours to fill a swimming pool using two pipes. Children, this is a swimming pool. To fill the swimming pool, it with two pipes. There are two pipes. Here one pipe is there, and here one pipe is there. With the help of two pipes, it will take 12 hours. If pipe of larger diameter is used for 4 hours. This is say larger diameter, this is smaller diameter. Pipe of larger diameter is used for 4 hours, and the pipe of smaller diameter is 9 hours. Okay. If the pipe of larger diameter is used for 4 hours and pipe of smaller is 9 hours, only half of the pool can be filled. If you use this 4 and this 9 hours, only 4 and 9 if you are using, the only half of the pool can be filled. How long will each pipe take to fill? This is the question. How long will each pipe will take to fill the tank? This is the question, children. Okay, children. So normally, children, larger pipe will take X hours. Small pipe will take Y hours individually. Then they together are filling in 12 hours. This is happening. In 12 hours, they are filling half of the tank. But if first one is run only 4 hours and one is only run 9 hours, then half of the pool is only getting filled up, children. Half of the pool is only getting filled up. You try to understand, children. Only half of the pool is getting filled up. It's if it is bigger one is running for 4 hours, smaller one is running for 9 hours. Then only half of the pool. This is 1/12 of pool. This is half of the pool. Okay, children. I hope you understood, children. See, individually they are running together. Then they are taking 12 hours, means 1/12 of the time. But 4 hours first one, 9 hours second one, only half of the pool is filled. Now how to do the sum? So
Multiply
children, 1 by
4
x is A, B, what Nana?
directly you can do options.
What directly?
That time 1 by x and
Okay, you want to do directly. Shall I multiply with 4 and do?
yes, sir.
Your wish. If you want, I will do, but you should not get confusion later. If you want, I will do like this. Unnecessarily, why to confuse you people? This will take A, this will take B. Whatever procedure we are following will follow the same procedure. This will take 4A,
4 plus 9b is equal to 1 by 2.
1 by 2. So children, multiply this equation with
First
2.
equation with
4.
4.
Then what happens, children? 4A plus 4B
Plus
is equal to 4
1
by
by
12. That is 1 by 3.
2 by 2.
So children, minus gone. How much is this, children? 5 by 3 is equal to
5b is equal to 3.
1. Okay, children. So 5B is equal to 6 is the LCM. 2 3s are 2 3s are 3 2s are. 5B is equal to 1 by 6. B will take 30 hours. Okay, pipe of smaller diameter will take 30 hours alone to fill the tank. Alone, if you use only smaller one, it will take 30 hours. Wise. Okay, now I will substitute here or here, whichever equation you want. I will substitute. First one I will substitute 1 by x plus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Bring this here. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 30. 1 by x is equal to 12 and 30 LCM is how much, children? 60. 12 5s are 32s are. So children, what you are getting? 1 by x is equal to 3 by 60. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 20. X is equal to 20 hours. Larger diameter is taking alone. Larger diameter pipe is taking 20 hours. Smaller diameter pipe is taking 30 hours alone if you open. Alone. Like this, children. Anyone have any confusion with this? Any step you can ask me, children. No means I'll go to next sum.
Sir, why did you take 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 12?
Because both the tabs, Nana, A plus B is equal to 12 hours. We can't take Nana because this is speed, this is time. So if a smaller pipe, one pipe is taking X hours, then in 1 hour, how much they will fill in a 1 hour, how much they will fill in 1 day. It's like that. Same time and speed, all these things and work and time, you should take 1 by x plus 1 by is equal to 1 by 12 in 1 hour. First tab is filling 1 by x. In second tab is filling, and together they are filling 1/12 of a tank. 1/12 of a tank. First tab, let me say smaller tab. Imagine let it take x hours. Imagine it is taking x hours. In 1 hour, to fill the tank, full tank, it is taking X hours. In 1 hour, how much will it fill? So this question mark is equal to 1 into 1 by X. In 1 hour, it is filling 1 by X of a tank. In 1 hour, 1 by Y of a tank. Total, they are filling in 12 hours, no? In 1 hour, they will fill 1 by 12th of the tank. Total, they are filling in 12 hours. In 1 hour, they will fill 1 by 12th of a tank. If you can remember this, work and time sums also you can do like this, children. That's why I told this sum, so that you should not get confusion in the exam when you are using this. Okay, children? Next question, children. Yeah. The ratio of incomes of two persons, children, the ratio of incomes of two persons. Incomes ratio is 9:7 and expenditures is